Okay. Back for part 2. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do. She is missing things in her life because you've already fast forwarded through 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You've experienced all of those. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do, pretty much finished up linked list. I'm not really doing any hard problems. I want to do all the easy and medium problems, and then fix them like a little bit. And then once I finish with the medium and easy problems, I plan on going back, like doing the hard ones. But I don't know, sometimes hard problems are very demoralizing. I don't really like doing them. Oh shit. Give me 1 second. Chill, I'm live. I'm live. Bro, no.
Bro.
I'm not going there today, bro. Why do you want me to go there today?
Wait, bro, it'll take 8 minutes, bro.
Why do you need the jacket so badly right now?
Because I need it by next week. Is that hard? I'll drive, bro.
I'm not going to REI, bro. I don't like going there when I'm
Dude,
not working.
I knew you were gonna say that, bro. Like, you're just gonna walk in for 5 seconds and then walk out.
Even if you ordered it today, it probably wouldn't come.
No, it will. I literally said it's when it'll arrive by.
What did I say?
Tuesday.
When next week? So if we wait until Sunday, it will get there by Friday.
Dude.
I'll think about it, bro. I mean, you should finish studying.
At 4 o'clock, bro. Start my car. Can I get in?
I don't know.
There we go. Right. You already agreed to it.
I didn't agree to anything. I'm sorry, chat. My brother just came in and started ordering me around. That's okay. So, which problem do I want to do out of all the linked list problems I've done? I think let's just go back. Let's just go to reverse linked list. I feel like I should redo that problem. It's gonna be my second time doing it, and I think for reversing a linked list, or for like not even reversing a linked list, I think for live streaming in general, I think I'm gonna start live streaming maybe the process of me making a website. I want to make like a portfolio website, so I don't know. I might live stream that. Let's see.
let's go to reverse linked list. Boom. I should be able to do this problem. It's not that hard. What did I want to do? So given the head linked list, reverse list. So I think what I can do. I'm trying to think, do I need to make a dummy node? Let's make a dummy. So point it to the head. I'm going to say cur dummy.next, right? Well, cur. Got to create a temp variable, and the temp variable is basically going to store the next value of our head. So if we're here, and then I think we got to have previous equal just null, right? So we're going to have the cur at the head. Previous is going to be back here. So we're going to set cur.next to previous, right? And then we're going to set cur here. No, we're going to set cur.next to previous, right? Right? And then we're going to set previous to cur. And then we're going to set cur equals temp, right? That's basically just to go here. So now we're going to have cur here, previous here, and we're going to keep doing that same process. So we're going to have, we're going to store the next value, but we're going to point cur.next. So this one is going to be like, the next value for this is going to be here. And then we're going to have previous is going to equal here. Cur is going to equal temp, yeah. And I think at the end, we just want to return dummy.next. What did I do wrong? Output 1. Oh, the head is going to be should I be returning previous.next? Previous. Okay, yeah. Because previous is going to be here. I didn't know if it was going to be here, but cur is going to be null. Yeah. Is that how I did it last time? Kind of curious. Yeah, I did return previous. So boom, like that was the first problem we did. In like 5 minutes. I had a friend that works at Facebook, or he worked at Facebook at the time. He said that the question they asked him was literally just this. They asked him like 2 technical questions, and one of them was just a reverse linked list. I was like, you're lucky. So that's that. Easy. Just remember to return previous. So let's do another. Oh, this was easy, not medium. Let's do another linked list easy, just to warm up. I think what I'm going to do is let's merge 2 sorted linked lists. I feel like when I was doing that, was I confused? I feel like that problem, I was kind of confused about it, but let's see if I can do it now. So merge into one list. I think we just do this because basically the thought process for this problem is we're going to, since they're already sorted, we're going to compare we're going to have the 2 heads. We're going to compare it. Boom, boom. And we're going to take the min. Right. Right. And then we're going to compare. Once we take the min, we're going to just iterate this one. Compare here. Boom, boom. Take the min. Put there. Move on. Compare here, here. Boom. Like these 2. I take the min. So here's what we're going to do. Compare these 2. Take the min of them. Then we're going to just move here. Compare these 2. Take the min. So it's going to be 1, 1, right? 1, 1. So now we're here. We're going to take them in, put it there. And now we're here. Take them in. It's going to be 3. Put it there. Boom, 4, 4. And then, yeah. So I think while L1 and L2, turn that. If L1 less than L2, we can do like less than equal to, I'm pretty sure. Let's just do this first. And what are we going to do? We're going to make L1 dot next. It's going to equal L2, right? And this one, so next one is going to point here. Then we're going to iterate there. And And then it's going to be L1. So would it be done next? Because I'm making L1 not next equal to L2. Oh, and this should be val. Like, I'm trying to avoid creating, because I don't think we need to use extra memory and like create the new nodes. You know what I mean? L1.next. I don't think that's really what we want, right? Should be L2.next equals L1. L1 equals L1.next. I think this is how it should be. Because now this one is going to be, the next one's going to, yeah. It's going to equal this. And then we're going to move here. And then greater than L2. I guess I could file. So we want to do the opposite. L1 dot next can equal L2. We want to iterate L2 equals L2 dot next. And it's just doing the opposite. And then basically we're going to get to a point where, like, if this array only had 2 elements and we get here, we just want to add, like, if L1 just want to so if we still have the rest of L1, then L2 dot next equals L1, right? Then we're just gonna, and that's that. If L2 L1 dot next gonna equal L2, right? I think for this we're gonna want a dummy. This node. Well, what is it gonna point to? Damn, how do I even keep track of the head? I set it equal to L1 or L2. I guess just set it to min of them. Equals list node. Next equals min of L. L1 if L1 dot val less than L2 dot val else this node equals L2. I don't even think I could do this. It's supposed to be an easy. I feel like we're iterating. Yeah, we're like going through. Whatever. I don't think this is gonna work. Turn dummy dot next. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. I do this. How did I do this last time? This in 2022. It's crazy. Oh, so okay, you can't just iterate through. You have to. Oh, was I doing L1 and not? Wow. I'm so dumb, bro. I swear this problem used to be L1, L2. That's just what's confusing me. But now I kind of saw how to do it. But that's okay. I'm gonna just mark that I need to come back to this problem. But I get like the idea is there. I understand what I have to do. I think I just suck at the implementation. My laptop's on fire. I'm gonna close visuals. I mean, close this. This. Okay. Close this. Oh, it's probably this. Okay. Yeah, so oh my gosh, bro. I keep forgetting. Not lost. Like I remember the two parameters were like I remember these values used to be L1, L2. And in my head, it's just what's stuck. I know I'm not good at streaming because I find it so hard to multitask. Like, imagine if I actually did have viewers and they were like talking. You know how difficult that'd be for me to focus or to multitask? All right, what did I do? What am I missing? Equals this. So I don't know what I'm doing. Tail.next. Oh, I'm forgetting to iterate. That's what I'm not doing. I forgot that I have to. Yeah, so I forgot. Forgot to iterate. Okay, so I'm gonna just say I still need to do that problem. Like, still practice that. My second time doing that problem. Yep. Remember to use cur value variable to iterate through linked list. I'm just gonna do all the easies. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one. So let me come back to this. To middle link. I might look at the merge k-sorted linked list at some point once I'm done like reviewing. Okay. Let me. What am I doing? Oh, middle linked list. I remember this question. The trick to it is just to use a fast and slow pointer. So I'm gonna do that. I already know. Oh, that's not even in here. I just did it just because. Yeah, but I'm thinking about doing a project where, or I'm not thinking about it. I'm starting to work on it. Want to make a portfolio website, and the main goal of that is to just have something I can show people. I can just put all like the projects I'm working on, stuff that I've learned. Just have my resume there, and I could just like send it to people. I want to use like React 3 Fiber to make it like 3D in a way, and like have some animations. Originally, I wanted to have it be like I wanted to make like a 3D model of my bedroom, and then kind of have that be the website. And then I was like, oh, it could be interactive where, on different portions of my wall, I could have like projects that I've done. But I don't know. I don't really feel like spending a large amount of time learning Blender. I know like the basics, but it just seemed like to get something that I was happy with, it would take a lot of time. So I thought about either paying someone on Fiverr to make like a 3D rendering of my room that I can just import into React. But ultimately, I think I'm just gonna go onto Sketchfab and then download like models of other stuff. Like there was this one model of if you watch Dragon Ball Z, like King Kai, his whole like little planet. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna download that, import it into my portfolio website, and then kind of have it be so one page is kind of taking like the setting is in King Kai's like planet. And then when you like scroll down, it's gonna like scroll back down to maybe like Master Roshi's house or something like that, and it's gonna have a bunch of stuff. I think that'd be cool. So that's gonna have to be something I really just work on in my free time, and it's like I barely have any free time. I'm trying to go to the gym more. I'm trying to I'm trying to take my health more serious and just like start working out again. I haven't worked out in like 4 or 5 months. But I'm trying to eat better, go to the gym. Leetcode, this is a big priority. I'm also trying to, I have to finish my thesis. I was supposed to present my thesis May 14th, and it's May 17th. So my goal is just to present it by June 1st. Like, that's really my goal. And I don't really have much to do other than just write it. I've just been lazy. So once I finish my thesis, I should just be able to replace the time that I'm working on that, or that I was working on that, with this like portfolio website. Yeah, I think it'd be cool. And then I've always kind of wanted to learn a tech stack. So learning React could be a lot of fun stuff that I learned. I think I could make like getting like a contact page on the portfolio, and that would like kind of allow me to do a little bit of like back end stuff. I don't know. I'm just thinking, what was I doing? What was I doing? Where can I search for the problems? There we go. Linked. What's the number? Oh, 876. I think I just saw it there. So yeah, with this question, bro, this microwave food is terrible. It is so bad. So given the head of a singly linked list, turn the middle node of the list. I gotta start doing like initializing variables like this. It looks cooler. That's another thing I worry about. I've never been someone that has had like their code reviewed. I feel like I do a lot of bad practices when I code. So once I get like my first software engineering or data science job, I already know that's going to be something that I have to work on, because I feel like I don't think of doing anything optimally on the job. I'm just like, oh, this works. All right, cool. So yeah. I know that like we're going to want to start both pointers here. We're going to have one pointer that goes like 2 nodes in advance, and we're going to have one that just goes 1. So boom, like this is where slow will be. This is where fast, or no. Yeah, so fast and slow is going to start here. Fast is going to be here. Slow will be here. Fast is going to be here. Slow will be here. Yeah, so boom, both here, fast, Fast is gonna go here. And then slow will be here. Yeah. Fast, boom, is here. It's here. I think it's gonna be like null. It's like fast, boom, is here. This boom is here. This boom, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I think it should just work if I just do this, yeah. Slow equals slow dot next. Fast equals fast. I might have to do fast dot next dot next. I don't know. We'll see. Am I returning slow? Oh, whoops. Let me do that. Bro, I'm done. Next. Hey, we're Gucci. Yeah, so that was very easy. That's probably the easiest linguist question. But even that, when I was first trying to do this problem, I remember thinking, oh, I need to iterate through it once and then calculate the length of the linked list. And then from there, I gotta do some math, like maybe like divide it by 2, and then like iterate through it again. I didn't even know about fast and slow pointers. Yeah. Those questions were all pretty easy. So let's do this cycle one. Just might as well. How long have I been streaming? 43 minutes, 44 minutes. I had to get like a proper setup where I have like another monitor, or actually just a monitor. Oh, so it's my eye. This is what nobody wants to show you, bro. This is the dark side of engineering. Having to study all the time. But this cycle do that. It's gonna be the second time I did it. Yeah. Bro, this job. Imagine if jobs just. I remember in like 2018, bro. If you were an intern, companies would only ask you easy. If you're like going as an intern, it'd just be easy. I remember my friends and I, because I graduated at Syracuse in 2019, like December. And I remember in 2018, all my friends were looking for like internships. And bro, the questions they were being asked at like Visa, Microsoft, Uber, Google, like the questions were like Leetcode easies. One of my friends was asked like anagrams. One of my friends was asked like, I think to reverse a linked list. And I remember at the time I was like, bro, I don't even know how to do that, bro. That's crazy. It's a hard ass question, bro. Now, if I was asked that question, I would thank the heavens. Oh yeah. Let's go here. Linked list cycle. I know for this question, we're just going to iterate through until we see the same. Jason, how are we doing this? Oh, yeah. So we have a fast pointer and a slow pointer. So we're going to use the fast pointer. And then at some point, the fast and the slow pointer will meet. And then we can break, or we can just like return false. So we could just do like, or we could do like fast, slow. So, well, no, actually, not even this. It's going to be while. Just do like while slow is not equal fast. Slow equals slow dot next. Next. Fast equals fast dot next. Next. And then once they're equal to each other, I don't know, if fast equals slow, return true if there is. Just do if what am I doing? It's not a list that we're dealing with. Let's just do if head dot next. None. I gotta do. What did I do last time? I mean, I guess I could just do that. I feel like this should work too. If not, head. Yeah, man. All right. I mean, okay, this I'm not gonna review this one. I don't think it's that bad. I think I just pinged them. Let's do some harder ones. Computer's mad dirty. And why is my fan still on, bro? What else do I have open? Let's put this. Let's go down. Can't do nothing for you but bow my head. See, the last time I was live streaming, I could not see my screen at all. I have no idea why. That's really how I look, bro. I look ugly. Like, bro, my face is getting all puffy. I had to start doing cardio, man. Okay, what do we want to do next? Let's do... Reorder list. Yeah, let's just do that. I don't even think I remember how to do this problem, to be honest, but figure it out. I gotta do merge case sorted lists. If it's not too bad, I'll do it. If it's like really hard, I'm just gonna go to the next question. All right. Why is it in this question again? Oh yeah, you cannot modify the values in the list nodes, only the nodes themselves. How do I do this? Oh, I remember. I think you have to split it. Yeah. So the approach for this problem is you need a fast and slow pointer. You're gonna go, and then you're gonna have like the nodes split, or the linked list split down the middle, and then you're gonna just treat it like the merged two sorted arrays, basically. I think. Oh yeah, so you want to split it in half, reverse this one, and then put it through. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's do dummy head. Or no, dummy equals list node. And I think I can just make next equal to head, because I don't think we're going to be change. Like the first value isn't going to change. And then what can I do? I can do slow equal head fast equal head. And then basically what I want to do is while fast and fast. So I want to go through. What do I want to do? I want to go through the list. So I do that. Fast equal fast next dot next, and then what do I want to do after that? And then so slow is going to be here, right? Because hold on. Boom, boom. Yeah. So, because fast or slow is going to be 1 in front of it, right? Because if fast is going. 1 second. I am eating a piece of candy. Oven. So, yeah, because fast is going to go here. And go here. Well, there's going to be boom. Anyway. How do we want to have another iterator? Like we want to iterate to the linked list until here. Then we want to make the next no. Hold on. I make so it's called slow too. So we're gonna do equal to slow. This would be slow too. Just want to break. Slow to dot next. Right. So now slow 2 is going to be here. And then what do we want to do? First, we want to break this right here. Break this. So make list 2 equal. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do let me break it, right? So now we're going to be here, right? And then we want equal node where next is going to point to slow 2.next, right? So we're going to do. So now we're going to have a head that's here, or not a head, like we're going to have a dummy node that's in front of the second half of the list. We're going to have a dummy node that's in front of the first half. And then basically all we have to do is or we can honestly just do head 2. And then honestly, what we can do, or no, this is the head, right? Because if slow 2.next equal this, so here we're gonna make it. Okay, yeah, we're good. Or no, head 2. We're just gonna make. What am I doing? I forget this part. I forget if we need to break this, and I feel like we kind of do. I'm gonna go look. Yep. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So we did this part. Excuse me. So we don't even need to do any of that. So, bro, I'm confusing myself here because I was thinking that I do some other shit, but I guess not. Okay. So basically now what we're gonna have is right here. I'm still gonna do it this way. And slow 2.next equal or cur is gonna equal slow 2.next, right? Previous is gonna equal none. And then oh my god, this is so bad. What was the other thing that I did? You have to, okay, so you do have to break it right here. Because here is slow equals slow on that, okay. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be so I iterated through it for way, like, for no reason. iterated through twice, but I only needed to go through once. I don't know why I did this. Because, okay, so slow. So is slow going to be here, or is slow going to be here or here? Because the way I was doing it, it seems like slow is going to be description. It says, yeah, cur. So I guess it's going to be here. Because why else would I do it that way? Yeah. Wait, but how does that work? So the slow pointer is going to be 1, because so the fast pointer is going to be 1. And is it not going to get to this point? Yeah, it's going to be 2. 1, 2. So, will not be there. It's only going to go once. I guess bro, I'm acting like I can't just figure it out. Let me just print out where slow.fal. Let's go. Three. So yeah, we're at 3. Well, fast and fast on next. Okay, so I'm not bugging. So I don't know why they made slow dot next. Why did I do that? What did I do fast on next on next? Oh, that's probably what is stopping everything. Okay, that's what, this is where the confusion is. So I think I did fast.next and fast.next.next for the purpose of stopping one before the middle. I think that's why I did it. I think that's why I did it. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, so now it's okay. But I feel like truthfully, I feel like this isn't the most intuitive. Yeah, so I think I'm still going to try and do it my way because Yeah, because I feel like my way, like, I know I say my way when I did it the other way. I did it the other way because I think I watched a YouTube video. But I think the thing with going through problems the second time is you really want to nail down a method that you think you can like remember again. I mean, it's still the same approach. So I'm still going to keep this because I already know if I haven't seen this problem in like months, then I come back to it, I still will remember the approach to do it, but I probably won't remember to do like this fast dot next and fast dot next. I'm probably going to do it this way because I've used this method. Like I wrote this line of code and a bunch of other problems. So let me just do it the way I was thinking, which I can do because I would need another while loop. And the runtime, bro, is going to be the same. Yeah, so I'm going to do this. And then, so slow, the second slow two will be here, like, or here, like one before, which is what we want. So we can make cur is going to equal slow to dot next. Previous is going to equal none. And then slow to dot next is going to equal none also. So we're going to have cur2 equal here, and then we're going to make slow2 dot next equal to none. So that this way, we're just going to be able to, well, so this is going to be reversing the second linked list. While cur2, or while cur, I'm going to create like a temporary variable. It's going to equal cur dot next. Cur dot next. It's going to equal previous. Previous is going to equal cur. And cur is going to equal temp. Right, so that's going to reverse everything. And then now we want to merge the two. So we're going to have like, 4 will be here, 3 will be there. So we're going to just, well, damn, hold up. So then I'm going to do let's call it cur1 is going to equal dummy dot next. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do like while cur1 and cur, right? Because the list should be reversed. So you should still, I think I might actually have to do cur equals cur dot next, because I think cur is going to be out of like bounds, like it's going to be null. So I'm going to is it always going to be an odd number, or like well, I guess I could point dummy dot next to cur. I forget how I did it, bro. And my laptop's like on fire. Don't know why. Oh, whoops. Not mean to do that. Let's go here. How do I do that? To oh yeah, because hold up, previous. It's gonna be the head. All right, and then how is this merging everything? 10. It's gonna store the head one dot next. Head one dot next. I remember being confused about this exact part the last time. Head one dot next. There you go. Two. So head one dot next is going to point. So head one is going to point to like the next one is going to be here. Now we're saying head one is going to equal. Wait, so hold on. So it's like head one, head two. Head one dot next is going to equal head two. Then we're going to set head one equal to head two. We're going to over here. Head two is going to equal head one. Here. Damn. Okay, I see it now. That's kind. I don't know how I'm gonna remember that. I feel like I don't know, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna remember that. I feel like this part I'm gonna have to memorize, honestly. Like, but it does make sense. One equals. And then with the previous, shouldn't previous equal previous dot, or oh no, previous won't be out of bounds because cur will be out of bounds, but previous will be at the head. Oh my god. Let's say head one. I think it'll be easier this way. Head two is gonna equal previous. So we could be like, they just did well head two, but it doesn't matter. Right. Oh, this is gonna be the difficult part for me. Okay. So we're gonna want to so head one is going to head one dot next is going to equal head two. Head one is going to equal head two, and then head two is going to equal temp. Okay, maybe it's not that bad. It kind of makes sense. All right. And then let it return dummy dot next. If not head return. I feel like a dummy node should just return none. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to redo this problem over again. Only pass two of the head cases. That definitely was not. Sometimes I don't even look at the error. I'm like, maybe this will fix it. What did I not do? Not next. It should work. So what's the error? Non-type has no attribute. Query equal $33, $35. Cur is going to equal, so if slow2.next equals slow break, what is, I need to print out slow2.next. Dot val. Slow2.next. Same none type cur. Oh, I see. Wait, do I see? Cur equals slow2.next. Why is this not working? None type has no attribute. Because if it's here, what's the issue? And we're saying that here, none type has no attribute. I'm not even making it none yet. Right, slow two. Am I doing something wrong? This is another thing I gotta get better at. It's like debugging my code. I'm blind. Why can't? Because we're saying cur equals slow.next, which slow2.next should be, in my mind, is here. So we're setting cur equal to here. This isn't null. You know what I mean? Like, it's not. What? Why are we saying, why is this 3? Print slow2.val. Okay, there we go. So we're here. Can I see the test cases? I see old. How do you look at all the test cases again? Like, what's the third one? There's another way of seeing. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So this is just like this is a different test case that's failing it, and I don't know. Why can't I see this? Why can't I look at the test cases? Like the ones that it failed. Oh wow, this is what I'm. So it's failing it. Here, right? Okay. I see. I'm bro. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I don't know. If not head. What's the expected? Because my submission right now is an issue. I mean, it's an issue, right? I'm not supposed to be returning. Oh wow, it's just literally that one test case. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, why did I just submit it again? That was dumb. Okay. Well, I should go over this again. But aside from that one test case, I think everything else think everything else I understand. I think one thing I need to remember is just remember test case. Oops. I'll get the hang of that problem though. Okay. That problem took me probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe 30, maybe 40, maybe 50. Let me check my phone nonstop to see if I get scheduled for an interview. Probably checking my junk. Just in case. But it is what it is, man. It's just more time to study. Get better at Leetcode. Okay. What else I want to do? Some other mediums. This. Because the other mediums aren't even that bad. I swear. To remove F node from the end of list. I really gotta delete Instagram. I gotta delete Twitter and Instagram because that just distracts me. All right. I was about to play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Man, don't got serious. Shit done got serious, man. Let's see. Given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. From the head of linked list, remove the nth node. I think we just have to. I'm sorry, I had 0. Like we just had to have a iterator. Let's say cur equal to head. Then say I equals 0. And while cur. Well, I think I should probably have a dummy node just in case. Like, what if it's the 0, like the first node? You know what I mean? Well, if they say to remove the, actually, I'll just handle that in the edge case, bro. Equal head I equals 0 while cur zero, so 2, and they want to make anchor next equal cur next next. Cur dot next equals cur dot next dot next. Cur dot next. I think like cur dot next is equal null or none. Because we want this, so cur dot next is gonna equal none. So we want this one to point to none. What if they want to return the or what if they want to return the last one? Yeah, I was about to say. Damn, why? I feel like this problem was easy when I did it the first time. Mm-hmm. Well, so I'm gonna just go through, get the number of nodes. Uh-huh. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What did I do? Because this definitely. Wait, what did I even do? I just. Because I remember I didn't have that much trouble. Turn. If j equals n, what am I doing? Count. If I equals 1, turn none. Is that what I'm forgetting? I mean, I guess it was. What an annoying problem. It's like, bro, there's so many edge cases, bro. Okay, I'm gonna start this over. I equals 0, right? Cur equals head. Well, because we just need, bro, I just need to count the number of elements in the linked list. Well, cur. Because it's like, you're 1, 2, yeah, so. If I equals just one element, what do we want to turn? It's gonna be way. Let's see, there's 1, 2. Print I real quick. Okay, so if j equals I minus 1, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If j bro, how did I do this? Bro, I remember when I did this for the first time, I solved it in like 10 minutes, bro. Okay, maybe that's a lie. It was like 20 minutes, but I solved it pretty fast. If j equals n, why would I? Because if j is like, how can? Oh, I can see. That's what I was trying to do because I think I counted, and then that's what I did. So nth node from bro, I'm stupid, bro. I didn't even read the question correctly. Cause nth node from the end of the list, not the nth node. That's what I was trying. That's what I was doing wrong. That's what I was doing wrong, bro. That's where I was confused because I was thinking I was returning the nth node, not from. Bro, this problem. I just wasted like 15 minutes. All right, let me do this correctly. So, okay, we're getting the count. The first node. No, okay. To n. What's I? If j is equal to n, return head dot next. Yeah. That's gonna be the first one. I'm just gonna print that. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna return. Okay. We can just set cur equal to head again, and then we can count. We can set I equal to 0. And then while no, so 1, 2, so 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Cur and while I is less than j minus n, right? J is the number of nodes in the list, and then n is like that. So if there was 5 and then n was 3, G is 2. Okay. Let's create next, right? We're gonna get to here. I print out cur.val real quick. Wait, what? I'm at 4. No, because hold up. It's a -1. Okay. Now we're at 3. Cur.next. Like, how annoying, bro. Stop just sleeping all day. I need to walk in. Oh my god, why do I keep submitting it by accident, bro? Question third. How do you spell third row? I just butchered that. they're roughly all right. How long have I been streaming? About 2 hours and 12 minutes. I think I'm gonna stop here. I don't want to keep streaming. I don't want my stream to be like 3 hours. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm still probably gonna finish a few more questions, like just review them. Like what else? Or maybe I should do one more. I might do one more. This one, I feel like I'll redo it again. I feel like the problem I was facing was because I didn't read the question properly, but I'm gonna just put it as one I should review. Now what else? No, copy lists with random. Oh, this one. I remember. I feel like I remember. I'll do this. Add two numbers. This one I'm going to need to redo multiple times. Like once I get off the stream, I'll probably do add two numbers. Because this one I felt like was pretty difficult. Find the duplicate number. I don't think it was that bad. I don't even remember how to do it. I don't remember what the. Oh yeah. Okay. No. Find the duplicate number is insanely hard. If you don't know, if you haven't done it before, if you know how to do it, it's like easy. But if you have seen it before, then yeah, it's not bad. Cause I still remember how to do it. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna do this one. Maybe, I don't know if today I'm going to look at merge case order lists. That might be a tomorrow thing. So I think for like 2 hours. I need to review trees. I started doing trees and then I took a break from Leetcode for like 2 weeks. And I feel like I forgot everything I learned. There's so many tree problems. But a lot of them aren't that bad. Yeah, so I need to go through do these. But honestly, I think I'm going to spend a lot more time doing greedy problems. I already went over heaps. So I went over heaps last week. This week I went over linked lists. I'm going to start going over greedy. There's not too many, so I should be able to. There's not too many, but they're all mediums, and I'm looking at it for the first time. I remember this question, maximum subarray. I wouldn't, if I didn't know how to do this, like if I didn't see this before, I don't know how you could possibly answer that question if you haven't seen it before. Yeah, so once I do greedy, then after that, I feel like I'll be in a pretty good place where I can like, so I did heaps last week, linked list this week. Probably tomorrow I'll start going over greedy problems. Once I do that, then I'm going to spend a lot of time just going over like graphs and stuff. Maybe like, and then occasionally just going through like 2-pointer questions, maybe like some binary search. But I'm going to spend a lot of time. Linked lists make a lot more sense to me now. I feel like I'm pretty good. Heap questions, I think, aren't that bad at all. Oh, wow. I'm pretty sure I did this. Okay, largest. Did I not? Did I not? Okay, largest element in a string. Oh, I guess I haven't. I'll come back. I guess I got to do this question. But yeah. Wait, how many questions have I done? And 79. Not too bad. Definitely need to increase that a lot though. I feel like until I get to really like 200 questions, I don't think I'll be like, once I reach 200 questions, I'll feel pretty comfortable interviewing. Like I'll understand that I won't be able to pass every interview, but I feel like, you know, assuming it's not like a FANG company or anything crazy, I should be able to pass it. Because 200 questions, that's like you've done the Leetcode 150, and then some. But I don't really see myself like I've watched some people on YouTube that have like 1,000 questions solved, 800 questions solved. I don't think that's necessary at all. I feel like that's so, you are really just like over preparing yourself for no reason. I really think that it's better to redo questions that you've done or you've had difficulty doing in the past and just like strengthen that understanding than to just, well, I guess everyone's at a different place. Like assuming you've done the Leetcode 150, you've done like a lot of problems just in each topic, then why not just keep doing new ones? Yeah. I have 20 more questions. Oh my god, this is so bad. Look, I barely Leetcoded in April, like 3 days. But this, I was honestly working on like other stuff. March, I was going so hard in March, and even then, look, it wasn't until like I was going strong, and then I just fell off. But May, I've been going crazy, bro. I feel like I was doing problems in like May 7th. Was I not? No, I started again like May 8th. And I've done problems every single day since then. Look at that. 15, 16. I only did 2. Oh, no, I did 3 this day. Boom. Oh, it's 2 hours and 19 minutes. All right, let me do this question real fast. Find the duplicate. Yeah, so I remember how to do this. I did it yesterday, and I tried to do it. You know what's crazy? I knew that you had to use a cycle. I was like, bro, this is the only way. Like, that's the only way that you can do this problem. I didn't know how to like implement that, but I knew like you had to use a cycle in some form, some way. So basically, like the trick to this problem is you want to use like a fast and slow pointer, and you want to implement Floyd's algorithm, basically saying that like if you have a cycle, if you have a fast and slow pointer, and you like keep incrementing them, so the fast pointer is going by like 2 spots, and then the slow pointer is just going up by 1. Eventually, you'll be able to find this like you'll be able to tell whether or not it's a cycle. And once like those points meet, you have to put your slow pointer back at the start and then just increment by 1. And you'll be able to find where like the cycle ends or like starts. You know what I mean? It's so complicated, bro. I don't know. This is not a fair question to ask. Well, you could ask it to me since I've seen it now. But man, so we want to start the slow and fast at 0, right? But thing is, we want to do fast want to equal nums of fast nums, and then yeah, that's 2 jumps. Or the boom, and then slow. It's just going to equal nums of slow, right? And then it's going to be while fast is not equal to slow. I think you just want to do this essentially the same thing, like right. And then at this point, right, they're going to equal each other. And then what are you going to want to do? Then you want to do slow equals 0, right? And then you want to, oh, what? Is it while fast is not equal to 0 again? Fast is not equal to slow. I feel like I'm forgetting it now. You just want to go 1, and then you just want to return either slow or fast. I may have messed up with like this condition. Oh, never mind. Look at that. But I don't know. Do I even really understand it? Not really. Well, I get it. But if you ask me for details, you lost me, gang. You lost me, gang. All right, so I think that's where I'm going to call the stream. That's where I'm going to stop. It's a duplicate. Find duplicate number. Find the duplicate number. Find the duplicate number. All right, that's my second attempt at it. I think that's pretty easy. Damn, look how many problems I did today. But these were all very not too bad. Yeah, the real problem, the one that I struggle with the most is definitely add number, because there's so many edge cases, and it's hard for me to like I feel like I was really just memorizing the solution. Like, bro, if you go back and watch the stream from yesterday. But that's it. That's where I'm gonna stop today. I'm gonna finish up maybe a few more questions, and then yeah.